Welcome to Skincare Queen. In this video, we're going to make a very simple veggie and fruit wash solution. We're in a sensitive time in history where, fear is everywhere. COVID-19 is killing so many people. Many people are being, getting infected, and the best thing we can do at the moment now is to protect ourselves by disinfecting our surrounding, disinfecting what we eat, what we put on, and so on and so forth, washing our clothes when we come out from a crowded place, by avoiding crowded place also, and so on and so forth. But in this video, I will make a solution that will help you disinfect your veggie and fruits and vegetables. So when you buy them from the store, make sure you disinfect them for peace of mind. Then you can hit them. This solution, I will be using apple cider vinegar. For those that know this channel, I love apple cider vinegar very well. It's an excellent nature's gift. So I'll only be using apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. That's all we will be using for this special veggie and fruit cleaning solution. So what we'll do is that we will add 80 ml of apple cider vinegar, of apple cider vinegar, to 80 ml of lemon juice. 80 ml lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, you can squeeze lemon juice also. Okay, you can from your lemon, you can squeeze the juice of a whole lemon also. Then we will add water, 200 ml of distilled water to it. 200 ml of distilled water. $200 ml of distilled water. And that's about it. So now that we have it, what we want to do is to pour it in a spray bottle. Okay, and label it so you know exactly what you have in there. You can use this at least for 4 weeks, okay? And make sure you keep it in the fridge. So we'll keep it in a spray bottle and we'll leave it in the fridge. So here is how we use it. I'm going to take your veggies. So in this case, I'm using this fruit. Then you will spray it. Okay. You spray it on top of your veggies and fruit. Just put them in an open space. Spray everything with this amazing wonder of nature. The good thing about this is that we just don't spray it. It has germ killing property also. It's going to ward off germs and pesticides. Okay, so once you have done that, as you can see, the dirt's already coming. You can look properly in this. You can see dirt here. So that's the first part of the cleansing. So it removes dirt. Okay. And word of pesticides. We use apple cider vinegar and lemon combination because the both have jam, killing property, and they also remove pesticides. So the next thing you want to do, take it off, rinse it properly inside as if you're washing. I can see the dirt that came off. This is not what ordinary water can do, trust me. Okay, this is not what ordinary water can do. So see, just something that looks so clean. Ordinary water will not do this for you. This cleaning solution, fruit and veggie cleaning solution, is what you need to first clean you. And make sure you keep it in the fridge and use it within 4 weeks. Okay, label it appropriately so you know exactly what it is. I have a link in the description box below for where to get. You can get at least 4 to 5 piece of this, okay, and you can use it for any of your DIY. Okay, see how many dates we have. See how many dates we have here. This is not what you want to wear. This is exactly what this magic of nature would do. This is what I do. So after doing this, I go for another round just to make sure everything is fine. So I take it again. All you have to do is just spray. I want another round to leave before I do the final cleansing and heating. As you can see, it looks cleaner right now. You see the solution looks like it's soaking up the fruit. Anybody that knows apple cider vinegar, you know why we have to use the spray? Even the force of the spray itself is cleaning it. Coupled with the germ fighting property of apple cider vinegar, pH balancing property, and also stripping property. Of course, it's not going to strip you of the nutrient, but it's just cleaning, removing pesticide, and removing germs. It's very important. A lot of us, we get germs through all this thing. Water cannot do what this is doing. No, ordinary water from just open the tap water cannot do all this. Okay, so looking at that, you're just going to check. See, can you see? This is exactly what we've been heating. We'll heat this. See the germ we'll be heating, and we don't know. They're all there. Ordinary water cannot take this away. So this is the second round. Okay, and you can see how dirty that is also. I won't be surprised if I go for another round. I'm going to find more. So anyway, I feel 2 rounds is okay. Then you're going to rinse this, okay, with regular water. Just pour regular water on it and rinse it before you finally eat. Okay, that's what you want to do. So you rinse it. This is the final rinsing. As you can see, even the fruit itself look cleaner now. It looks cleaner now, and that's exactly what we want. And make sure you clean it very well. Okay, then we'll take it on a dry tissue paper. Okay, dry. Dry, then before you put it in another bowl or beaker, wherever you want to put it in. As you can see, it's very, very clean, shiny. It remove excess pesticide. Nothing to worry about. It's good to go. You can heat this now with peace of mind. Nothing toxic. What we use to clean it has no chemical in it, and it's all good to go. So please, can you imagine how many dirt we removed from just this 2 apple? Now, what will it do if you have like a big bunch of let's say spinach, for instance, Ordinary water cannot remove most of this thing. The only thing that can remove it is this solution. Trust me, make it is a life-saving solution. Always have it in your fridge. Okay, always have it in your fridge. What I use, again, I will do a quick recap. I use 80 ml of apple cider vinegar. I use lemon juice, also 80 ml. Then I use 200 ml of water, of distilled water. 200 ml of distilled water. The step-by-step instruction is also included in the link in the description box below. So look there for step-by-step instruction for how you can, wash your fruits and vegetables very clean before you eat it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this dirty water, dirty thing that you see removed by this solution will remind you that all the fruits that we buy from the store, they are really dirty. It's not the fault of the store, just the way, even though they use water to wash them, water cannot wash all of this thing, and this can even cause a lot of diseases. Pesticide, okay, pesticide and germs are inside this, and this is what we eat. So please, let's be health conscious, especially during this time. Make sure you wash it. If you look at it, it's very, very clean and dry right now. Very, very clean, good to go. Everything is unique. You see the difference from now and when I first took it. So it's very, very essential that we do this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Remember, in this sensitive period, you want to protect yourself and your family if you are from COVID-19 coronavirus. If you don't have to go out, don't have to go out. Avoid crowded places. It's really heartbreaking that a lot of people are getting infected with this virus. It's sad, and it's something we can prevent. Just put common prevention tips in place. Make sure you wash your hand, make sure you wash your kids' hand, make sure you use proper hand sanitizer. I will be doing WHO hand sanitizer in another video. I'm not sure if I can do it tonight because I'm making this video on the night of March 12, 2020. So I may be making another more advanced WHO standard hand sanitizer for you, so as to know. I went to the store today, I couldn't get one. It's amazing. I couldn't even get hydrogen peroxide. I couldn't get isopropyl alcohol. It's so sad that everything is all over the place. I couldn't even get toilet tissue. Everything is so scarce right now, so we will have to resort to doing this ourselves. In my house we have our own DIY toilet tissue, so I might have to do that in another video. So stay tuned with me. Click that subscribe button, click the notification icon to be notified when I upload new video. Thanks for watching.